So, hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Grant Payne from Business Media Builder. You can find us at www.businessmediabuilder.co.uk, or you can follow us on Instagram at BMB Videography. Now today is the 16th of March, so we're almost at the end of this lockdown period, and soon business is going to be opening in spring. And what we do is we offer a video marketing strategy which is targeted to try and sell and promote your business. But today, however, we're here to talk about a local business in Stratford-upon-Avon called Peely Printing. Now the owner of this, Claire Underwood, is a lovely lady. They do in-house graphic design with Millie, and they've done a fantastic job for me on my van, and this is what I'm going to show you today. So Peely Printing, they use extremely high quality vinyl and high quality inks, and the combination of these allows for extremely good UV prosperity. So these signs can last 3 to 4 years. The application of them is fantastic. They locate them in the right areas to make sure there's the right panel gaps, and they also make sure that it's nice and smooth, there's no bubbles and no creases. Not only do they do vehicle graphics, but they do sign writing, they do advertising, stickers, signs above shops. And if you have a look at their Instagram, Peely Printing, or their website, you'll see a couple of promotional videos that I've done for them, which really show off what their business is about. So today I'm going to take you around the van and show you what it is that they've done and how something as simple as this can be applied to your vehicle and help you with your advertising.